Hello, dear traders. My name is Clara, and these are the main trading ideas for the current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with the Australian dollar versus US currency. The pair is trading at 0.6270. Investors are focusing on the publication of the minutes of the February meeting of the Reserve Bank of Australia, at which the regulator cut the interest rate by 25 basis points to 4.10% for the first time since 2020. The regulator's management noted that the fight against inflation is not yet over, so further reduction in the cost of borrowing is not guaranteed. These comments increase the likelihood of the current tight monetary policy by the Australian regulator for a long time. Most analysts expect only one more adjustment to the interest rate during the year. Some analysts predict that the conditions for easing monetary policy may appear only by the end of the year. Next, dollar against franc. The pair is trading at 0.8890. The franc was supported by data on the growth of income of the Swiss National Bank, which received a record profit of 80.7 billion francs at the end of 2024. At the same time, the value of gold on the regulator's balance sheet increased by 21.2 billion francs. Profit on positions in foreign currency amounted to 67.3 billion francs, and a loss on positions in the national currency was about 7.4 billion francs. Today, data on inflation in Switzerland will be published. It is expected that the annual value of the Consumer Price Index in February remained at the same level of 0.4%. However, if inflation declines again, the Swiss National Bank will be forced to continue easing the national monetary policy. According to analysts, the pair retains growth potential. And finally, pound against the dollar. The pair is consolidating near 1.28. It is expected that in the near future, companies will be forced to raise prices in response to changes in labor costs. It is worth noting that the total volume of expenses of retail enterprises this year may amount to £7 billion due to the indexation of the minimum wage by almost 7%, as well as the increase in the tax burden announced in the latest budget. All this can lead to an acceleration of inflation and give the Bank of England grounds for refusing to further reduce interest rates. Given this, the local recovery of the British currency may continue. So these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.